two puppy dogs resting. I'm watching Karate Kid Part 2. Very awesome movie. I can't see it that well, but you know, it's the best I can do here. Show you a little bit of it.
Morning. Ohayou gozaimasu. Yuki. You, Daniel-san. Yes, Miyagi told me all about you. And he tell me a lot about you? Oh, no. Oh, no. He is very proud of you. Well, how does father feel?
Okay, so yep, this is all I wanted to show you. This is Marla.
Thank you.
That's Marla. She's my puppy dog. She kind of looks at me when I'm talking to her. Kind of, sort of. Say hi, Marla. Say hello. Yeah, she says hello. And that's Lacey. It's Lacey. So, yep. So, it's time for me to go. So I just thought make a quick vlog here. Sort of vlog. If you didn't hear me correctly. Talk to you all later. Bye.